Innomatec, worldwide market leader in test and specially manufactured equipment for industrial leak test applications and density testing. Every idea starts somewhere. The success story of Innomatec began in 1983. What followed was consistent and solid growth, which made Innomatec the world's pioneer industrial leader in test and specially manufactured equipment for industrial applications and density testing. Today, Mr. Mike Schilling is spearheading operations with the ambitious firm, along with a team of nearly 40 employees and 16 worldwide sales and service offices. The various testing media adapted such as water, air, helium, forming gases, and SF6. Minimal to maximum ranges for quick connectors and leak test computers, up to leak test machines with supplementary applications like burst test up to 2000 bar. Excellent references in a wide range of industries make Innomatec an ideal one-stop partner for innovative, high-performance, and exceptionally cost-effective solutions. One stop also means that a single contact person oversees a project from order placement through to delivery. He or she collects all information, hires individual specialists, and is personally responsible for every stage of the project, and that ensures quick and direct communication, limited frictional losses, minimized costs, and maximum quality. The ability to respond at any time to all individual needs and specifications quickly and flexibly requires long-standing experience. Access to standardized basis solutions, which are then adapted for individual needs, helps reduce development costs and speeds up the overall production process. Success is always dependent on the quality of the team. As a medium-sized enterprise and technological leader in test and specialist equipment, Innomatec thrives primarily as a result of the ideas and dedication of a perfectly coordinated team of experts in the fields of technical consulting and sales, construction and development, plant construction, electrical engineering, measuring and operational technology, metal engineering, programming, quality assurance. Optimal training of the team and the use of the latest technology allow Innomatec to implement the most technically advanced solutions quickly and cost-effectively. The result is innovative products, which in many cases offer a great deal more than the competition and which provide a clear sense of investment security for the future. To have ideas is one thing. To offer service that constantly lives up to the promise of customer focus is another. Innomatec offers individually tailored service packages for customers, which enable fast solutions for all technical requirements. This service begins at the time the order is placed, and with the comprehensive advice offered by our technical sales team. Our experts speak to customers as equals and determine the available possibilities for optimization and savings. Innomatec also offers customers dedicated service in the after-sales phase. The maintenance and repair team is available around the clock and 365 days a year. Thanks to Innomatec's easily accessible location in central Germany and its proximity to Frankfurt Airport, national and international customers can always be reached in a short time, if needed, even overnight. Another strength of Innomatec is the broad and diverse range of offerings. Individualized and cost-effective standard solutions for pressure-tight connections can be perfectly integrated into production processes. This allows a quick and dependable connection between the device under test and the test system, from vacuum to overpressure of several hundred bar. The Leak Test Computer LTC is one of the company's signature products and is now in its 4th generation. It can be individually programmed, updated, and can be used for a wide range of applications, offering maximum investment security and flexibility. A number of leak test computers from 1983 are still used today on a daily basis. An important core area of expertise is the construction of specialist equipment with versatile solutions for pressure and flow measurement in vacuum and overpressure. Innomatec works exactly according to the customer specifications, or supports customers in the development of an optimal implementation strategy, beginning from the layout. Intelligent structures and the modular assembly of the machinery also make it easy to update over the long term and offers diverse possibilities for upgrade.